Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to gather enough followers for your Facebook page through some settings. Now I will be using my PC, but the formula is the same on your mobile devices. On the right side of your screen you see a main drop down or a settings drop down. Now press on it, then go to settings and privacy, then go to settings. You will be able to see privacy settings. Open them. Now go to your activity. You see who can see your future post. Edit that to public. Then go to review all your posts and things you tagged. Use log activity. Who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. Edit that to public. Who can see friend list. Edit that to friend to public. Who can send you friend requests. Edit that to friends of friends. It will be easier for them to see you if they are friends of your friends. Who can look you up using email address you provided. Add that to everyone. Who can look you up using phone number you provided. Edit that to everyone. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your account profile? Let it remain yes. Now go to public posts. And edit that this way. Who can follow me? Edit that to public. Public post comments. Now who can comment on your post? Edit that to public. Who can like or comment on your public profile pictures and other profile info? Edit that to public. Comment ranking is on. Let it remain on. Now you are done, and this method will help you to reach more people and more audience on Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.